can see it's very glowing and I didn't apply any highlighter, which is amazing. I think my parents are sleeping right now and I'm going to try to
do like a ASMR. Like, if you have Romanian friends, you must know that we usually talk very loud, and it's going to be very hard for me to talk like this. Anyways, I'm going to put a little makeup on my face. I'm going to apply a little bit of these two face creams.
In the summer I get a lot of freckles. If I think that my face is too oily, sometimes I take a napkin and I just press it on my skin. Usually I have 3 options to apply my foundation or BB cream. And I'm going to show you. Either I use one of these brushes or with this little guy right here, I'm going to apply it with my fingers this time. And it gives my skin the shine and the glow that I want. I don't do nothing special, just apply it as I would apply a cream. Make sure you blend it very well. Now I'm going to fill in my eyebrows and I'm going to use this one from Essence, the lightest shade. Now I'm going to apply some mascara, Golden Rose. But first I have to curl my eyelashes because they are so straight. For my lips, I'm going to use this one from Golden Rose.
I think I'm done. This is everything.
And I have here some homemade donut. It's with cheese inside.
Sometimes I dip it in a little bit of sugar. Well, not too much, but
I'm in the kitchen again.
don't judge me. Very good. By the way, guys, I want to show you what my parents are watching right now on TV.
Yeah, Korean drama.
I still want to eat a little bit more donut.